Hello viewers, welcome to Happy Streamers. Today I'll show you how to add multiple photos on your Instagram story. First go to Instagram, then click your story, then select any photos at first. Now from the top right corner click three dot icon, then click draw. Now select any color from the bottom, then hold on the middle. Now click the check mark from the top right corner. Now click the sticker icon from the top. Scroll down a bit, you will find this plus icon. Click the plus icon. Now select a photo first. Now resize it. Now click sticker again. Hit the plus icon again. Now select another photo and resize it. You can add more photos like this. Then click next and click share. Click done. Hit OK. That's all. If you find this video useful, please subscribe. Thank you.